look at the SUI Solana cross. Pretty clear inverse head and shoulders.
There we go. That's the inverse head and shoulder. And it's just under the neckline now.
Yeah, exactly. So if it were to break that neckline, that would force me to go further out the risk curve. I think it will break it because, I've managed to get this trade early, not just because on the foundation, just because I look at all of these crosses, but that's the trigger. I tried the balanced portfolio. I want a bit of DeFi and a bit of gaming and a bit of metaverse, a bit of that. It was all a waste of time because there is a limited amount of attention and a limited amount of capital. And what you find is there's 3 to 5 horses that bolt out of the gate that are big enough. I wasn't emotionally attached because I had a broad group. So I thought the best way to nail the alt season is have a broad basket, right? The only ones of that broad basket that worked for me were Avalanche and Sol. If you've got $5,000 now, stick 3 of it into one of these kind of bigger tokens that can still do a 10x from here. So that will be $30,000. And then play in the meme coin, lose some money, maybe make some money, but get the experience. But then you've got that balance. $30,000 is a lot of money to somebody who's got 5.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to say. They don't see it because they think, I want to get $1 million now because I saw a bloke on Twitter who made $1 million.
The SUI Layer 1 blockchain has been touted as an incredible force to be reckoned with after showing resilience in the face of the recent market crash. According to our market analysis, SUI has made a massive statement with a 36% surge over the past 7 days and 70% over the past 30 days. Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal said that SUI's future trajectory looks bullish, as confirmed by market signals, growing adoption, and technology upgrades. To highlight this point, Paul highlighted that the asset broke the downtrend against Solana and the top 20 tokens. Furthermore, its relative strength index validates any form of bullish thesis as the asset acting like it would be one of the key chosen ones of the major new chains, if not the chosen one. From a technological perspective, Paul believes that the recent Mysticetti upgrade led to an astonishing finality in under a second. Interestingly, this makes it the fastest of all the channels. Paul also cited the upcoming Pilot Fish as another upgrade that could transform the network and position it above its competitors. Pilot Fish was designed to scale transactions per second, TPS, even beyond that of Solana Firedancer. This, coupled with Circle's recent decision to issue a stablecoin, USDC, on the platform, could be another good step forward to overtake competitors, Paul said. According to Raoul Pal, SUI's breakout might be even bigger than Solana. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now, let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
My guess is, same way as you, that ETH probably outperforms. And the reason being is you're just going to deregulate this thing. And if you are a financial institution, you will tend to build on ETH or ETH layer 2s. And the reason being, it's like IBM or Microsoft. It's a broad, deep ecosystem. You don't get fired for doing it. I think ETH overbuilt capacity or block space for where we are currently in the market because of the layer 2s. But over time, I think we'll use that block space up because I think the institutions will use ETH. Again, think of Apple versus Microsoft.
Okay.
Right. There is no investment bank in the world that uses Apple.
Because?
Why? The ecosystem of developers and applications for Microsoft is much bigger. This is exactly the same.
Paul also mentioned that the gaming sector is another area that SUI could strategically dominate. According to K33's recent research report, SUI's upcoming handheld gaming console, SUI Play 0x1, is a major bullish offering that could be compared to Solana's first mobile device, Saga. Similar to Solana, where the allocated airdrops far exceeded the initial cost of the device itself, the SUI console would come with a non-fungible token, NFT Eternals. This implies that exclusive rewards would be unlocked. Paul made a remarkable comparison between Solana and SUI in the cryptocurrency market. He highlighted that while Solana has a robust ecosystem, SUI stands out due to its technical infrastructure and rapid rise. Paul suggested that SUI has the potential to outperform Solana, providing important insights to market participants. Paul highlighted SUI's strong technical framework as a key attraction. Developed based on the previous Meta crypto project, SUI is built using the Move programming language. This innovative language ensures that the project has a secure and efficient infrastructure. Paul emphasized that the support of experienced developers makes SUI even more attractive. Paul said that Solana's ecosystem is quite strong and reliable. However, the technical advantages of SUI's rapid rise make this project remarkable. The foundation of Meta's origin technology allows SUI to gain an edge over the competition. Although Paul remains confident in Solana's success, he said that SUI could become a big player in the future. Solana has always shown a strong stance against Ethereum and Bitcoin. However, the rise of SUI could signal the beginning of a new era. The post-election rally has brought new optimism to the cryptocurrency sector, fueled by Trump's pro-crypto stance and supportive policies from the Federal Reserve. Investors are hoping for regulatory relief, which has allowed top altcoins like Ethereum, SUI, and Solana to make significant gains. Analysts are predicting an upcoming banana zone phase where rapid growth in key tokens could propel the cryptocurrency market towards a $10 trillion market cap by 2026. With so much at stake, the coming months could shape the future of the crypto space. Paul made some exciting predictions for altcoin fans, saying that the long-awaited altcoin season has finally arrived. Paul believes Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in the current market cycle, thanks to better regulation, increased use of DeFi, and increased adoption by traditional finance. While a $20,000 price target for Ethereum may seem bold, Paul sees Ethereum as the main player in the upcoming altcoin season. Solana has been quietly gaining traction, and Paul expects it to take off in the next phase of the market. With high on-chain activity and a solid ecosystem, Solana even recently outperformed Bitcoin. SUI is another altcoin that Paul is particularly excited about. He sees huge potential in SUI and compares it to Solana before its rapid rise. With limited supply and high demand, SUI is expected to attract attention during the upcoming bull market. While Paul is primarily focused on Ethereum, Solana, and SUI, he hasn't forgotten about the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin could see another surge, fueled by community hype and enthusiasm. Paul suggests keeping a small portion of your portfolio in these high-risk, high-reward assets if you're feeling adventurous. With active institutional participation, the development of Bitcoin ETFs, and improving regulatory clarity, Paul believes the cryptocurrency market is primed for a transformative bull run. He encouraged newcomers to join now because waiting too long could mean missing out on substantial gains. Donald Trump's victory as the 47th president of the United States has sent positive ripples through the cryptocurrency market, with some cryptocurrencies reaching new highs.